The UPower Business Network believes in your privacy. No third-party tracking, no data sharing. We do not take your customers' data. Your customers' data is yours. AccessingEnergy.com is part of the upower.com network, working together to find near-free energy solutions as there is a cost to the device or the medium that actually accesses the energy. Telecommute.me is part of the upower.com network, bringing overseas telecommuting jobs back to the USA. It lowers the unemployment while raising the GDP. Post job listings at no additional charge with upower.com. UpdateOffice.com is part of the UPower Business Network. You can buy and sell US-made office equipment and supplies. You can find US office workers and executive positions. List both services wanted and needed in the USA. IndustrialBench.com is part of the upower.com network. Heavy industrial and commercial workers and businesses can find each other to meet specific needs. Buy and sell parts, products, services, and equipment to help supply chain issues in business. Your personalized upower.net business page keeps your visitors on your page until they click a link to go to your business's website without any tracking. We will not share or take your customer data. There is no cloud and no apps. With UPower, you can post 10 jobs, 10 parts, 10 services, 10 products, and more per day for only $10 a month. Free is not free when they sell your information to everyone, and on most business and social networks, that's exactly what they do.